see the bird, Nanny?
I see the bird. Come on, birdie, outside.
Alright, I'm gonna try to scare it out.
Go outside.
Here we go. We're streaming this live for the world to see. Don't! Get out of here, Berta. Okay. Nanny, would you? Oh, don't let it get me. Don't let it get me, Ma. Don't let it get me. Scare it. Blah, 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 blah. Guys, it's behind you. It's on the floor behind you. Oh, Nanny, it's back there. Do you see it? See it? It's on the stovetop. What if we turn the burner on? Ah! Don't hurt me, bird. Nothing. Down! Down! There it goes! There it goes! It's coming towards you again! Alright, Christmas jingle jangle. What do birds like?
Don't go at it with this.
Ah! Ah! It's on the ground! Where is it? Don't let it get you. It's gonna get you, Nanny.